wanted to showcase to everybody. This is the altar of Doña Agatona, on which everything here was also commissioned in Spain. Galing pa po to Spain. This house was partly renovated na po. Kasi nung World War II in 1942 to 1945, nasira po. So this is her bed. Her wheelchair, nung matanda na siya. Pero that one is they have parang riser na pag ganun.
Oo. Yes. And this is the old wheelchair.
Yes po.
Oo nga. Sir, may na-curious lang ako sa atay bed. This is repro, no? This is a reproduction na, no? Halika na. Tawid na tayo. So, eto siya. Sorry. Agatona Argüelles de Halandoni. Pero, halika, pasok tayo. So, Agatona 1927 Museum Cafe pala, mga kaitsubero. Hello, boss. Magandang hapon po. May ano tayo?
May rates po, sir.
May rates,
yes,
okay.
Po, sir. Eto po, meron po kaming guided tour.
Okay.
For Iloilo resident po, sir, is 250 per head.
So, since I'm not a resident, I'm a dayo.
Non-Iloilo resident. Here, dito
So,
po tayo.
300
Yes,
tayo.
300 per head.
Okay.
Yung inclusion po, sir, ng 300 per head dito, sir, is choices of your drinks.
Okay.
Coffee, tea, and cookies.
Okay.
Yes, and juice, also juice, sir. Tapos, may tour guide na po to
Okay.
sa 300. Yan po, sir, yung inclusion niya, sir.
Okay.
For non-Iloilo.
Okay.
And also, we have self-guided tours. Walang tour guide.
Walang
yes.
tour guide.
Yung 350 mo po, sir, yung 200 po will be consumable sa cafe.
Okay.
And then yung 150 will be the entrance sa access niyo po sa museum.
Not bad.
Yes, yes.
Fair enough.
Yes. Which
Kumbaga.
one do you prefer, sir? Yes, kung
Okay.
bago po kayo,
Yeah.
much better. May
Okay.
tour guide po. So, okay,
Sige.
sir.
So, yung cookie nila since 1927 pala.
Yes po, sa kay Doña Agatona pa po, who owns this house.
Interesting. Sige,
That's why they wanted to, go back from 1927s po. Naipatikim sa
That's good idea.
Yes. From the past.
Oh,
is
let's go
present.
back. Let's go back
Let's
from
go back
ano.
to 1927.
Yeah.
Oh, sabi nga nila, kailangan daw nating balikan yung past para
Yes.
ma-appreciate yung present.
Of course,
Di ba?
yes.
That's why it's called heritage.
Oo nga, no? Oh, sir, kayo po ba yung magtutour sa akin, sir?
Yes po. So,
Enjoy, sir.
sir.
Thank you. What's your name?
My name is Pearl.
Pearl. Oh, thank you so much, Miss Pearl.
Thank you, sir. Enjoy.
And sir, what's your name, sir?
Hello, good afternoon. I am Rinel. I'll be your tour guide for today.
Come again, sir?
Rinel.
Rinel. Okay.
Yes, I'll be your tour guide for today. And welcome to Agatona 1927 Museum Cafe. And as you can see here, this is the museum named after our Doña Agatona Argüelles de Halandoni.
That's her.
And this is Doña Agatona po. And Doña Agatona had this house built in 1927. Kaya po, it's Agatona 1927 po.
1920s pa ito.
Yes.
Ito yung mga pag nagta-travel sila, ito yung mga dala-dala nila. Oo.
As you can see, may scotch tape na lang po kasi.
Oo nga. Yes.
Very sensitive na po siya.
Oo.
Na parang, dapat...
Huwag na nating hawakan talaga yan.
Yes.
Oo.
Oo. And then, this is her part-time thing na ginagawa pag wala siyang, pag nabu-workshop.
Oo, panggansilyo. Oo.
Panggatsilyo. Actually po, sir, tinatahin na lang po namin to kasi pag nilaundry namin,
Nagbabakbak
merong mga
na.
parts na
Masisira na.
kagaya nito. So, tatahinan naman namin yan. Diyan po. Para maalagay po namin.
Oo.
What can you see? Something from this picture here. Sabi ko nga sa mga guests ko, ang mahal-mahal ng 3D ngayon. Meron ng palang 3D in 1920 sa
Ang galing
Ang galing, ang galing. And this way, please, I'd like to highlight this one here from our friend. This is the tomb of Don Manuel Arguelles. He is the father of Doña Agatona.
The father.
Yes, Don Manuel Arguelles is the one who's benefactor of the church. Siya po napagawa ng ating Cathedral Church dyan in Haro. Kaya po, later, sa tour po natin, there are a lot of connections sa church at sa bahay na po na ito.
Okay.
And then, nung namatay po si Don Manuel, he was buried din po dyan sa church in remembrance of Don Manuel as the benefactor and the very first layman po. If you enter the church po dun, sir, that is on the left wing of the church, sa harapan po. This is the original picture. Ito naman po ang zoom picture po. Yan. Ayan po. This house was partly renovated na po. Kasi nung World War II in 1942 to 1945, nasira po.
Nasira siya. As in totally sira?
Yes. Tsaka naglipat po si Doña Agatona nung nung panahon na yon.
Opo.
So, kung may makikita po kayo dito, sir, what do you think is left from 1927 po dito?
Siyempre, the pintuan.
The pintuan po, yeah. As you can see here, this is their
door knocker.
This is their knocker.
This
is how they do this. And then once marinig po sa itaas ng mga mates po nila, they would automatically go to the balcony or terrace dyan and not to see
sisilipin kung sino siya.
And then they will pull a rope sa itaas. And then by pulling the rope, this one here will open for the guest po, for the visita or whosoever wants to get inside the house. Yeah.
Grabe itong pintuan nito, sir, no?
Yes, it is
very intact.
Very intact talaga. Yes po. This flooring here, this was made after na po ng World War II.
Ang bago na, no?
So, hindi na po ito siya original na floor pa natin. And dito po tayo, sir, please. As you can see, yung steps po natin, this is in 1927 pa po na mahogany.
1927 and
mahogany stairs, yes. Ayan po. Mahogany. Pero okay na okay pa po to. Pwede pa po kayong tumalon dito.
Pero
yes po.
Pero din ito ng World War, no?
Ito hindi po to, sir, na usually yung mga wallings lang po sa itaas po. In here po, we are showcasing to you pasensya ka na po muna sa carpet namin kasi 1920s pa po ito na mga carpet. Yes po. Oo, sobrang luma na po nito. Okay, so this is Our Lady of Candles. This is Nuestra Señora de la Candelaria. She is actually the replica of the one there po sa ating church, sa cathedral. And then, our Nuestra Señora was actually commissioned in Spain. Okay. But the person who sculpted this is also a Filipino, na si Ireneo Cristobal po.
Ireneo Cristobal.
Yes po. So, this is the Mama Mary that they use every procession sa Haro on their fiesta. Every February 1, kinukuha po siya dito. Fiesta sa Haro. Ito po siya, sir. Yung picture, si Mama Mary, nung pinoprocession po siya.
Okay.
Ayan po. And then, in here, every Holy Week, this family, ito naman po yung pinoprocession nila, yung Encuentro. It was also made by Maximo Vicente, also a Filipino, and it was commissioned by the family Virgilio of Salud Montenola. Cecilia Montenola po, sir, siya po yung asawa ng anak ni Doña Agatona. Yes po. And as you can see here, this was actually old style na karo po.
Oo nga, no?
Dito, as you can see, the carvings there. Actually, hanggang ngayon, hindi po talaga namin nilalagyan ng mga flowers dito to showcase this one.
Design.
Yes, and as you can see here, may mga alambre na lang. Kasi it's very antique already. Luma na. Pero ayaw pa rin ng family na, you have to change it into a new modern one. Kasi gusto nila, pag nag-procession sila, is ito talaga. Yes, as is po talaga. Siya po. There. And this way po tayo. Welcome po, sir, sa second floor ng bahay. Oh, before I forget, as you can see here, there are two doors here. Actually, ito po dati yung sauna ng mga bishop, ng mga priest.
Sauna?
Yes po.
Oh, sauna.
Pero ngayon, it is made into commercial building na po.
Ganun ba?
Wala na po.
Oh.
Commercial building na po siya. So,
Okay.
bali sa kabila po, salon na po. Dito
Oh, salon.
massage
Okay.
parlor. Oh, I don't know if you've seen po kanina nung pumasok ka.
Yes,
Ayan
I
po.
saw it. Yes.
Oo,
So,
salon
lahat
siya.
yung mga nandito, commercial na lang talaga ito.
Yes po, dito lahat sa ilalim, sir. Sa ilalim po.
Yes.
Yes, dito po tayo please, sa second floor po.
Second.
Yes po.
So, I'm very, very happy na makita ito na ni-restore ninyo.
Yes.
Kasi yung last 2022 galing ako dito, sabi ko, sana gawin nilang something kasi napakagandang bahay.
Actually, sir, even the Ilonggos, they would say na, ay makikita ko lang yung bahay na yan na ang ganda-ganda every fiesta, every may event. Kasi full ang lights nito eh, tuwing
Oo.
gabi. Dati, if there's an event. Pero, ngayon, na-open na siya for public as museum and they were so happy.
Ako, kahit hindi ako taga rito, isa ako sa natuwa kasi alam ko kung ano itsura nito before.
Yes, sir. And this way po tayo, please, sir. As you can see here, this is the portrait of Doña Agatona Argilies de Bioda de Halandoni po. And then, can you take a look at her eyes? And then you please move here, sir. Ano na notice mo?
Tinitingnan ako.
Tinitingnan ka pa rin niya.
Oo.
Yes. And that is why, that is one of the feature nung nanalo ito, sir, sa Paris. Nung pinicturean po siya ng photographer at dinala doon, bronze winner po yung photograph na ito.
Oh, wow.
There is one photographer po na nagpunta dito to take pictures of everything in this house as a heritage.
Oo.
Tsaka kinumpit niya doon at nanalo ng bronze winner yung photographer. And this house was even
Featured.
featured and
Yan yung book
nilagay
na-
sa house that's sugar built.
Where can I find a book?
Yun nga hinaharap ko rin, sir, actually dito. Pero, makikita mo, sir, dito, Iloilo, Negros, and Pampanga po, na mga heritage houses. If you will see here, ang dami pa talaga dito.
Dami.
Maybe siguro no, yung pinuntahan mo sa Negros, nandito rin po, sir.
I think
Yan.
so, yes.
Yes, this is actually a very good book. I tried, pero hindi ko pa natapos yung hindi ko pa natapos.
Sabi daw nila, yung daw mga mayayaman sa Negros Occidental came from Iloilo, especially Haro.
Totoo yan.
Tama ba? Yes.
Totoo yan.
Kaya,
Yung sugar cannery nila is also in Negros po.
Negros, yes, Negros
And then,
Occidental.
as you can see here, she's wearing her veil dyan po. This is the original veil na sinusuot niya po dyan. At saka ito naman po yung medallion niya po na sinusuot po nandyan. Actually, sir, the story of this medallion, kasi po, si Doña Agatona, she is one lady na, first, her father is the one who had cathedral church built. Second, her devotions, her services, her love, her passion, parang naano na po lahat sa church. That's why she was awarded by an American bishop, si Bishop James McCloskey, and siya po yung bishop noon ng ating Cathedral Haro po, church na for 25 years.
Oh, wow.
Yan. And yung award na po yun ay tinatawag po natin na, dito pa tayo sir, Pro Ecclesia et Pontifice.
Pro Ecclesia.
Yes po, Pro Ecclesia et Pontifice po. This is to recognize our valuable service po sa church natin po. Ayan. And in this way po sir, yan po si Don Ruperto, the husband of Doña Agatona. Ayan po. Ang sa itaas naman po, si Don Fausto, he is the brother of Don Ruperto. And
Okay.
this one here is Sir Carlos and Ma'am Cecilia. Sir Carlos is the son of Doña Agatona and Don Ruperto. And then, she married, yung wife niya po is Ma'am Cecilia Montinola po. That's why if you entered kanina, meron doon nakalagay Halandoni Montinola
Oo,
Ancestral House. It's because after po, nung namatay na po yung mag-asawa, sila na po, the one who had been settled in this house, sila na po yung pinangalanan na po sa kanila. That's why...
Pinangalanan na sa kanila.
Yes po. Pero yung Agatona pa rin, yung main po na pangalan ng museum na po to. And as you can see here, meron po ba kayong na-notice dyan, sir, sa mga pictures natin? Diyan po?
Sa
Diyan po sa pictures
Kung may
natin.
nanonotice ako.
Oo, may nanotice po kayo? What I wanted to tell you po
Okay.
is si Don Fausto is the real father of Sir Carlos. As you can see sa mukha,
Oo nga, no?
Sir Carlos is only an adopted child po.
Oh, really?
Yes, ang swerte niya, no?
Galing naman.
Ang galing talaga. Yes po. Kaya,
Parang sila talaga.
yes,
Pag-
yes po.
Ama,
Yes
no?
po. Pero adopted lang po siya ni Doña Agatona at ni Don Ruperto. Trivia! Trivia. You have seen here sa Pro Ecclesia regarding sa kay Doña Agatona,
Oo.
it's not only her who had the award like this. Also po si Sir Carlos. It's also because he also did a very big impact and service po sa ating church po dyan. Not only sa church, ibang church, entire Philippine,
Oo.
even sa labas po na church. Ano po si Sir Carlos Budon, involved po siya. So, in 1961, he was also awarded with the Pro Ecclesia et Pontifice. And noong 1981 naman po, si Ma'am Cecilia was also awarded with the Pro Ecclesia din po.
Oo, nakakatuwa
Opo.
naman.
And you see, I wanted to tell you, the values of this family, the characteristic, from Doña Agatona up to their tumitindig yung balhibok, I'm sorry, up to the 4th, 5th generation na po, kung ano ang sinimula ni Doña Agatona and the entire family, hanggang ngayon, ganun pa rin po. Yes po. And then, ito
Ang
po
galing
yung
nakip nila yung
sapatos
gown,
niya.
no? Yung pa rin
Yes
po.
po, ito yung medal niya po, ito po yung bag niya at saka paypay niya po. Kasi I'd like to tell you that si Ma'am Cecilia po is mahilig talaga sa paypay ever. And you will see po inside yung some of her collections po ng paypay.
Oo.
Yes po. And then, in here po, actually meron na po akong bisita dito also na nagsabi, Malia, sir, as a tour guide, do you have the idea of the attire they're wearing right now whenever they are awarded with the to Pro Ecclesia?
Talaga.
Opo, matanda na rin.
Oo.
Dapat alam mo yan, sabi niya sa akin, they are wearing the hablon tela. The hablon.
Hablon, no?
This is one of the famous of the Ilonggo tela.
Hablon.
Later, isa-search ko po. And
sige.
Ang ganda ng tela na po na yun.
Talaga.
Yes po. And please, this way po tayo, sir. Ito naman po yung kwarto ni Doña Agatona.
Wow.
As you can see, her room was beside our altar there. Kasi po, nung pinatayo po yung bahay na to, she really asked na katabi ng altar yung room niya.
Yeah.
Yes po. So this is her bed, her wheelchair nung matanda na siya, and this is the chair she used before nung hindi na siya makaano. Oo.
No?
And then she can't just go out na there. Dito na lang po siya umuupo to face the altar po.
Okay.
Yan po. Ang dami nga nagsasabi, ay bakit meron kayo nito? Papaanak ka naman. Sabi ko, I'm sorry. Pero that one is they have parang riser na pag ganun po.
Oo.
Yan
And this
po.
is the old wheelchair.
Yes po, yan po yung
Wow.
old wheelchair niya. They had it kept pa po na the family. Ganon sila kagaling magtago. And this is the bed naman po. And
Eto na.
I don't know if you've been to ano na po, to Nelly's Garden.
No, I haven't.
It's also
Ano
one
daw
of the
eh.
heritage house. Diyan lang sir, malapit lang
Pero
dito.
hindi raw allowed
Mag-video picture. Yes po. And then in here, actually speaking of the Nelly's Garden, they have this circa in 1960s.
Okay.
The what they so called the Rigodon de Honor. You know, the party of the alta sa syudad people.
Yeah.
Yan. So they are the families like the mga Lopezes, the mga Ledesmas, yung mga ganon dito sa Iloilo City po. And this is one of the collection from the photos that she had, Ma'am Cecilia and Sir Carlos po. As you can see here, this is a picture of Rigodon de Honor at sa Nelly Garden po.
Garden.
Yes po, yes po. So, ayan po. And as I've told you, eto po sir yung collection ng paypay niya. These are just some of the collection. And that one right there is, I think it's her favorite. Yes po. Yung parang inano na lang ng family, parang inayos na lang nila to be there talaga. This is her fan na talagang ginagamit niya whenever she goes church, she goes to, parang pang-araw-araw na ginagamit niya. And have you heard of the Assumption School in Iloilo?
Yes.
The entire family is Assumptionista. From Assumption talaga. And in here napan po, sir, are the collections of Ma'am Cecilia's gowns. Actually, these are just the few of the gowns. Kasi po, ito na lang yung parang maayos. Ito mga Pitoy Moreno, mga Bing Sanchez. Bing Sanchez is one of the famous na designer noon dito, sir. And then, this is the gown she wore on nung 50th anniversary po nila ni Sir Carlos. Ayan po.
Buhay na buhay.
Super buhay. Ang ganda. Hanggang ngayon, sir, ang ganda nga.
Store nila ng maayos ito, no?
Hindi, ganyan talaga, sir. Kasi nakabaol lahat to eh.
Oh.
Nakabaol lahat to. Ayun, mga collections ng baol po ni Ma'am
So,
Cecilia.
talagang ingatan nila,
Yes
no?
po. And in here naman po, ang ating 1920s po na cabinet.
Parador.
For your video. Ayan, I'd like you to watch the horror of the... Ayan. Ayan. And here is the cabinet po.
So, nung mga aparador talaga noon, Tito Pe lang.
Sabi nga ng family, ay, ayan na, ang smell. Parang ano pa.
Ano?
Parang we're back to, from the past. Ayan po.
Hindi pa uso yung hangin.
Yes po. And in here naman po, sir, is the Spanish shawl of Cecilia, of Ma'am Cecilia Montinola Halandoni. Actually, this is handmade.
Spanish shawl.
Oo. Parang handmade po ito ata na na shawl po ni Ma'am Cecilia. And that one there is the veil of Doña Agatona. Kasi po, sir, dati po kasi, when you go to the church po, you should wear a veil. But you cannot get inside the church if you don't have the veil. Kaso lang, yung mga, mga median family, mga poor people, they cannot afford to buy that. So, hindi sila makakapasok ng church po. Only the alta sociedad people ang makakapasok po doon. Yes. As you can see here po, sir, ito 1927s pa po to na mga glasses. Pwede ko na siyang makatok kasi nalagyan na po to ng pang doon sa loob.
Talaga 1927
yes
pa
po. This is original pa po. At saka yung the one there po, mamaya po sa sa komedor po namin. And actually, sir, when Doña Agatona died, this room has became the office of Sir Carlos and Ma'am Cecilia.
Carlos Arguel.
Yung anak po
Anak.
nila. Yes po. And here are some of the collections of Ma'am Cecilia's rosary. Some of these were... Ay, sir, ano lang yan? 1/4 lang yan.
1/4 pa lang yan. Okay.
Ang dami
Hindi
po
pa
niyan. Kaso lang, yung iba is parang nasira na hindi na po namin maiayos. Kaya, yan na lang po yung mga natira sa collection po ni Ma'am Cecilia. And here po, yes sir, and here po. As you can see here, for the first frame, actually, have you been to our museum here in Iloilo? Museo Iloilo? Hindi pa. Ay, punta ka doon sir, ang ganda din doon.
Sige, punta ako.
Dati po sir, si Sir Carlos, yung anak ni Doña Agatona, he is the chairman of the museo po. There. Handumanan pa po yan dati, Juan Pablo II Museo. Yan pa yung pangalan. But ngayon, they had cut it up down to Museo Iloilo na po. Yes po. And then si Cardinal Sin, a very good friend of Sir Carlos, a very good tie with the ties with the family po. Kaya po, we have a lot of pictures from Cardinal Sin and Sir Carlos po. Kasi dito po parati si si Cardinal po, nung time po niya. And then in here, as you can see, this is... actually, this is bagong lipunan pa po. 1972 ata to ang last na gamit ito. This is uncut money who was given to Sir Carlos. Maybe pag nag-100 years na to, mahal-mahal na nito. Yes po. And in here po, sir, yung pastime na favorite na ginagawa po, as I told you kanina, this is also one ang hand-sewn blanket po na ginagawa po ni Doña Agatona po. Actually, yan yung tinuturo na po, ang cross-stitch po na to. Sa mga, ngayon tawag natin is caregiver na po, di ba? Dati po tawag nila nurses and aides pa po doon. Yun yung mga tinuturo po niya. Yes, actually na po, na-fold na lang to kasi na Mickey Mouse na po siya.
Oo nga. Sir, na-curious lang ako sa Atay Bed. This is Red Pro, no? This is a reproduction na, no?
Yes, sir.
Hindi na ito yung antique, no?
Yes po. Actually, this is in 1950s. After na po nung World War.
Okay.
And po. Saka dati po meron pa po itong mga meron pa pong mga tela-tela to dati.
Oo nga.
Parang ang tool, yung parang tool curtain. Yan, parang ganun po. Ayan. Yes, this way po tayo. Hi sir, good afternoon. Yes po. And this way po, sir. So this is po the special altar. This is the center of the museum na special po talaga na we wanted to showcase to everybody. This is the altar of Doña Agatona on which everything here was also commissioned in Spain. Galing pa po to Spain. And then,
sir, may question lang po ako.
yes
Ganito
po.
na po talaga yun.
Yes po. Everything you see here, ganyan na po siya
Hindi
talaga.
nasira ng World War yan.
Hindi po.
Hindi.
Some parts. Pero meron na daw mga ano dito, mga sira-sira, mga ano. Pero ito hindi talaga to nasira. And then as you can see here, sir, dati po syempre hindi sila pwede mag-mass dito kasi wala pa silang decree or certificate or yung papal bull na tinatawag nila from the Vatican in Rome. Pero nung pinadalhan na po sila ni Pope Pius the 12, ayan po, they can have the oratory mass na po dito sa bahay. Yan, sa kanyang residence. So, the Holy Father also allowed masses of this altar, and under the First Vatican Council celebration of the Holy Eucharist, actually, were not permitted in private homes as they are today. Pero nung pinadalhan na po siya ng ng papal bull na tinatawag po nila, this commemorates to the people na pwede na po siyang mag-mass dito. And kasi in those times, Spanish era po yun. That's why the family translated it to Spanish po, here po sa kabila.
This one.
Yes po. Ito na po yung Spanish translation po ng papal bull po na para mabasa po ng lahat in Spanish regarding po sa papal bull na po ito.
At least meron silang
Kahapon nga meron akong bisita dito, binasa niya talaga
Talaga?
yan. Sabi ko, sir, dito po tayo. alam niya mag-Espanyol. Ang galing. And yes.
Natuloy yung pag-aaral natin ng Espanyol.
Sa amin, sa tawag dito, nung college ako, meron kaming language pero parang almost our French French and Chinese almost
Of course, no?
And in here naman po, kasi as I told you kanina, di ba mga matatanda, sir, na hindi pwedeng ipasok doon.
Oo.
Hindi pala
Hindi pwedeng makapasok.
Because, mga poor ones. So, si Doña Agatona, as partly of her service doon po sa church, she has what is called Viatico Publico.
Oo.
This is happened
Viatico Publico.
Yes, caring for the weak po.
Caring for the weak.
Yes po. So, it is an annual religious practice.
Okay.
Actually, hanggang ngayon, sir, ginagawa.
Ginagawa pa rin.
Yes po, ginagawa. This event is every Sunday after Holy Week Sunday. So, here, and the family will throw flowers po sa mga bishops, sa mga seminarians na papasok dito. And then, papasok sila dito with the incense and everything. And then, at 5 a.m. po, we will have a mass. They will have a mass here. Pero nandito na po lahat ng mga old people po.
Nandito na sila.
Ito po.
Sabi
nga ng owner, yung iba dyan siguro mga anak pa ng mga old ladies dati, Doña Agatona, or mga apo na rin. Mga apo na rin. Ayan. And then, after the mass po, they will celebrate po a big breakfast for everybody, especially for them.
For them talaga.
And then, they will give monetary help, they will give food packages, gift packages, lahat po na maibigay nila. Sa tradition po of Doña Agatonas, parang we have this in our family that we have the money, why not share
to others?
So, parang that is the values that from Doña Agatona's time up to now, sa family po ni Miss Jean Bustillo, yan na lang po yung natira na apo sa tuhod yun.
Really?
Yan po. Ano po kayo? Baka nandyan siya, ipapakilala.
Sige.
Yes, para po yun have remembrance.
Sige.
So, here naman po, sir.
So, dito naman tayo. Daming mga pictures, di ba?
They are a part of seminarians po na scholar po ni Doña Agatona. As you can see here, this one is Palma from Cebu City na po siya ngayon. And Piemonte and Gamua, these are ourselves. And then, Cardinal Sin, siya rin po nag-officiate ng libing ni Sir Carlos po dito. Nung namatay po si Sir Carlos. Ayan po, very close po talaga sila, sir. Ayan.
Nakakatuwa naman.
There po.
Yeah.
And then, in here naman po is when Pope John Paul I don't know if you've heard of it, in 1981.
Na pumunta siya
nag-visit
rito.
Sa Iloilo.
Yes.
Yes po. As you can see here, sir, the pictures of his arrival. Kasi po, si Sir Carlos po, ang chairman ng finance nung visit dito ni Pope John Paul. Yes po. And then, it was also in 1981 na kinoronahan po yung ating Nuestra Señora sa church ni Pope John Paul. Sa pictures, kasi yung apo po ni Doña Agatona sa paan.
Oo. Apo sa talampakan.
Yan po, siya po yung binitbit ni Pope John Paul.
Wow.
Yes po. Ayan. So, we really showcased it here po. And in here, we also want to showcase the picture of the father of Ma'am Cecilia Montinola.
Virgilio.
Yes po.
Montinola.
And the other side naman po is Ma'am Cecilia's mother naman.
Oh, this one.
Yes po. And by the way, this chair po is 1920s pa po to, sir.
Wow, sofa bed?
Yes.
Ang galing.
Meron na po silang...
Hindi ko alam na meron.
Hindi na namin ito inupuan.
Oo, ang galing naman. May sofa bed na pala noon.
It's very strong.
Nasulihiya, no?
Yes po.
Nakakatuwa.
And as you can see here, this is the original pa po. May mga ipinaayos lang po na some part. Yan po yung logo namin sa itaas.
Oo.
There po.
Oh, oo nga, no? The
Yes,
logo,
po.
yes.
Yes, sir. And in here naman po, sir, siguro kilala natin si Padre Pio. Yes po. So, in
Padre
one
Pio.
of the place here in Iloilo City, which is Pototan, I don't know if you've heard of the Pototan
Yes.
na lugar. In Pototan, meron po kasing lote doon si Ma'am Cecilia, who is the mother of Miss Jean Halandoni Gustilo. Ma'am Jean Halandoni Gustilo, siya na lang po yung natira sa mga anak ni Ma'am Cecilia at ni Sir Carlos. Lahat po namatay na. But one of his brother, siya naman po yung father ng chef namin dito.
Talaga?
Pakilala ko rin po kayo.
That's a chapel. Oo.
Yes po. Hindi lang po na nagpatayo sila ng chapel dyan, but with the purpose po, with a mission po sa mga tauhan. So, Ma'am Jean Gustino had this built a chapel along with the benefactors, of course, and with the help of the devotees. Yun po yung gusto nila na maitugon doon sa Pototan, lahat ng mga devotees matulungan nila. May arofit sila mga food feeding, may help
mga food feeding.
Yes, especially sa mga bata, tsaka sa mga poor people in Pototan, kasi marami yun doon. And if ever you get the chance to go there sa chapel po natin, please don't forget po, mag-pray tayo dito kay Padre Pio. Ayan po. Then yung mga Holy Rosaries po na iniwan
Padre Pio.
Yes, as long as you pray from your heart po and you know you're sincere and yung prayer mo po na for good.
Yeah,
of course, for good. Padre Pio will really grant it for you po. Yan po. So, here is the chapel po, sir, natin. But one, Pototan, if ever you had the time to go there po. It's the story behind the Opus Dei Center in Iloilo.
Oo nga, no? Opus Dei.
Yung Opus Dei po kasi, sir, when it started, yung parang nag-uumpisa pa lang sila, dito po yan nag-start. Dito po sila nag-stay.
Nung nagsisimula pa lang sila. Dito mismo sa bahay na ito.
Yes po. And if you've
Opus
been
Dei.
to, I don't know if you've been to St. Clement's Church po. Sa St. Clement's na church po, you've been there na po.
Parang nagpunta na ako, sir.
One of the
I think so, yeah.
important. Yeah.
Oo.
Ayan po siya, sir. Ang retreat house po doon.
Ay, oo, yes. Nakapunta na nga po ako, yes.
Si Sir Carlos po nagtayo nun.
Ah.
Nagtatayo nun. Yes po. And then, as you can see here, actually there's a trivia na dito pa lang rin nalaman. Kasi po, yung very first na novena nila was recited in Baclaran, pero hindi po. Yung first novena ever that was recited is dyan sa La Paz. St. Clement's Church. Hindi po sa Baclaran.
Hindi talaga sa Baclaran.
Yes po, talaga sa Baclaran.
Good to know.
Okay, sir, let's see here. This is the wall where would like to present to you
Maximilian.
Sir Carlos. With regards, kasi po dati yung mga bishops and yung mga priests dati, there is what they so-called, parang representative ka. Parang ikaw ang ni-represent. Parang ikaw, you are the one who's who has the right to be presented po sa Equestrian Order of the Holy Sepulchre of Jerusalem. So, within the Catholic Church po, for you to be the next protector of our church. Yan, so you have to pass this 5 order. So, and here is the example and the photos of that nung pinasok na po nila, na-recommend na po nila si Sir Carlos. And this is the original cape that he wore in there.
Oh, wow.
At saka, it is very special because meron po siyang natatak na po neto, yung 5 cross, which means the 5 blood of Jesus Christ po natin. Yung sa head, kamay-kamay, tsaka sa paa po. Ito po yun. And, about naman po the order na dapat mong ibasa for you to be the protector of the church, for you to be the shield. Nila yung ganun. Si Sir Carlos namatay siya sa second order. No, second order na lang siya. And that order po was the order of the Saint Gregory the Great na nag-grant po sa kay Sir Carlos. And as you can see here, nabigyan po siya ng certificate. Carolum is a Latin name, means Carlos po.
Carolum.
Yes, yan po yung Carlos.
It's a Latin name.
Yes po. And as you can see here, ito po yung sword na ibigay po sa kanya. Here. And then,
diba? Carolum, Latin name ng Carlos.
Siguro alam mo naman yung Knights of Columbus. So, he is also a member of the Knights of Columbus and even awarded with the Knight of the Year in 1982. Dito po, sir. And this was a sword that was given to Sir Carlos Halandoni po. And here is the certificate that was given to him. Actually, Knights of Columbus is very famous here in Iloilo. And in here naman po,
the grandfather clock.
Yung clock po nila na famous. Actually, they wanted it fixed. Kaso lang, if they have it fixed, sir, it will be a motor type of things na ikakapit po nila sa likod. So, wala na kasing mga piyesa na from their times pa. Kaya yun, kaya they hide it preserved like this na lang po. Hindi na po nila pinaayos ng sa bago pa yun.
Parang display na lang siya, no?
Hi, ma'am! Good afternoon!
Hi!
She is one of the member of the Opus Dei. Nasa picture doon, actually.
Hi!
From Manila pa na visitor, ma'am.
Hello po.
You're the vlogger?
Yes, I am.
Welcome to Iloilo.
Yes.
Oh, maraming salamat po.
Good afternoon. Agad po na.
Papasok ba tayo dyan, sir?
Yes, please.
Okay lang?
Okay lang, Gina.
Oh, wow.
Anong gabi?
Yes, ma'am. And welcome po sa Comedor Formal po ng kami.
Comedor Formal.
Po, this is the dining area where events, special events, mga conferences, mga meetings, especially with the Bishops Businessman's Conference po. Kasi po, si Sir Carlos po, he is the chairman of the BBC Iloilo and Bacolod, entire Bacolod in Iloilo City po. Siya po yung chairman ng Bishops Businessman's po.
Oh, wow.
And then, in here din po was held the luncheon of the Apostolic Nuncio. In here, as you can see, every visitor from Manila, from US, from
nakakatuwa.
saang lugar.
There are so many memories talaga of him.
Yes po. And as you can see here, Carlina, and so as with the mga Americans, nag-visit sila dito. Yan, dito po sila, sir. And then, here naman po are the collections of...
Sir, na-curious ako sa China cabinet.
Yes,
Keepsake.
this is a collection of Doña Agatona na parang hindi talaga nila ginamit to.
Oo nga, parang display.
Hindi nila ginamit.
Oo, hindi nagamit ito.
Yes, the
grabe.
parang nilinis lang nila to, pero hindi
This is
to talaga
mahal na
ginamit.
to mga ganito.
Yes,
No?
sobrang mahal nito,
Oh,
sir.
vintage na ito mga to.
Super vintage talaga. Yes po. And here are some of mga silver po na mga yung ano dati, yung mga wine glass na.
Oh, lili.
Ito po 'yon. Ayan po, di ba? Oh, ano pa yan? Collection pa yan. Buti na lang hindi nasira pa.
Grabe itong mga bronze na to.
Kasi po naitago pa nila sa ilalim kasi may stock room kasi doon na malaki. Sa likod ng fountain.
Oo.
Super sensitive na po talaga to. Kaya hindi na po namin inaan.
Oo.
And also here, the plates po, the collections of
Ito parang nabasag na nga ito, sir.
Oo, sir. Pero it's still okay.
Oh, still okay, yes.
Oo, pero na-tape lang namin kasi po,
Pag finix mo pa yan, baka mamaya mas lalong sumira. Kaya
mas
ganyan na
lalong
lang.
sumira siya,
Oo.
And as you can see here, sa kanilang dining po nila dito. Sir, this is a Chinaware, it's silverware. Ito pa talaga yung ginagamit nila. Alam po namin.
Oh, set
Kita
up,
niyo po
yeah.
If what it is, their set up before po. Every time they have ancestor events in this hall po.
Nakakatuwa.
Okay po,
Tapos
sir,
eto,
this is the Comedor Informal. So this is where the
Comedor
family takes
Informal.
dati po. Yes po. And I'd like you to meet Ma'am Jean. Siya po yung sinasabi kong anak ni Ma'am Cecilia and Sir Carlos na
nag-iisa.
Yes po.
Oh.
Ma'am Jean, ito po siya.
Hi si Ma'am Jean.
Sir,
Hi.
vlogger, okay na po.
Hello po.
Sir,
Hello. Hello po, nice meeting you po.
So, continue na po sir.
Yeah, yes po, I'm from Manila. Thank you so much po.
And continue po sir, dito lang po tayo please.
Sige, sige.
And
Thank you,
here
sir.
naman po, these are also the part of the collection from Heritage. And ito po sir, ayan po.
Wow.
Ito po yung mga kasama nung nasa ilalim.
Oo. Yung nakita natin sa baba.
Ng frame ni Doña Agaton na doon.
Ah.
And here are the collections of the silverwares that she has before. Actually, yung iba mga na yan these are originals po, kaya hindi mo makikitang may rust.
Oo nga
Yes. Kasi pag may rust daw, hindi yun original.
Oh, totoo sir.
Stainless steel.
Sabi,
Parang
yes.
po. Yes.
Totoo.
And then in here po, also some of the collections of the plates. Actually, this is the personalized dining plates na...
This one.
Yes po. Actually, this has a story. Yung plates na ito.
May story
Kasi po,
ito?
Yes po, kasi dati, after nung World War II, di ba, nung World War II, umalis dito yung family.
Oo.
Kasi nga may war.
Oo.
Nung bumalik sila dito, pinaayos na lahat. One day daw, yung mag-asawa, si Doña Agaton at si Don Roberto, lumabas daw ng Harap Plaza doon.
Oo.
Nakita daw nila ito binibenta.
Ah.
So, instead na awayan niya or, that's
Oo.
my place. So, binili niya na lang. It was a gift also to Doña Agatona.
Tapos Last Supper.
Last Supper po. Iba, dati, ngayon parang pictures
Oo nga.
na lang makikita mo. So, dati
So, ganyan talaga ang Last Supper.
Yes, oo.
3D,
Ganyan daw talaga.
kumbaga.
Oo.
No?
Ano sabi ko, dapat nagyanto ng glass.
Oo.
Parang
Even
ano
ito,
na talaga.
3D na rin, oo.
Yes po.
Nakakatuwa
And
naman.
This one, parang nakita na lang nila to sa man.
Sa?
Sa man.
Sa mud.
Inano lang nila.
Ay, oo nga.
tinagpitan
Tsaka
nila.
basag na siya,
Oo.
nire-assemble
Pero
pa.
in-assemble pa talaga nila. Kasi it is part of this collection.
Oo.
At saka lang meron pa itong mga kasama pero wala na.
Wala na talaga.
Ito
no?
na lang po. Ito na lang yung special na
Oo,
pinila
oo.
na nakita.
Diba, nakakatuwa
And
naman.
then in here po sir. So,
Nakakatuwa naman, there's so much story about the family.
Nung di ba sabi ko si Ma'am Cecilia and si Sir Carlos yung na dito
Take over.
So this used to be the room of Ma'am Jean and Ma'am Rose.
Oh.
Ito pa sir dito pa. And this is the family
Ay,
of
oo.
Sir Carlos and Ma'am Cecilia and their brother Jo Marie, Ma'am Rose, Sir Miguel and Sir Carlos na pangalan nito and Ma'am Jean. Yung chef namin, yung mataba, ito yung father niya.
ito
He
yung
just died, no? February.
He looks paano di ba siya artista? Para sa
Parang
artista.
artista, sir,
Oo,
no?
kasi ba yan?
Yes po. Ayun, ang gwapo niya.
Oo.
And this, si Sir Miguel po, he died nung 6 years old pa po siya.
San Miguel.
And then we have here the piano na 102 years old na po.
The
But
piano.
still working. This is her.
Wow, nakakatuwa. Oo nga, no?
Still working
Nakakatuwa
pa.
ba?
And then, if, please, dito po.
Yung design.
1920.
1920.
Yes, this is the coin collection of Sir Carlos. Ayan, actually,
Oh, wow.
some of the collection lang po to. Ang dami pa po.
Sam pa lang to, ah.
Yes, I think mga 1/4 pa lang.
Oo.
Mga 1/4 pa lang to. Some of which were gift, were bought. Even from Vatican po, sir, meron po
Wow.
siyang picture po dyan. Money po dyan. Ayun. And in here naman po, as a part of the memorabilia of Sir Carlos po, he loves playing
Golf talaga,
Yes.
no?
As you can see, nung bata pa siya, teenager siya.
Talagang
And then,
nag-golf
nung
na siya.
Matanda na siya.
Oo nga, no?
May golf, parang golf is life. And in here naman po, ayan, the buting-tings of
The buting-ting.
Maxi.
Oo.
And in here naman po, these are the 4th and 5th generations of the family.
4th
Sila
and
na po-
5th.
Yes, sila na po yung
The one who managing the
yes, the
cafe.
entire, family na po. Ayun, sila na po yan.
So they're all based here in Iloilo.
Yes,
Okay.
they're all. And they even help you dito po sa museum sometimes if they have time. Kasi sa kanila naman talaga to the entire family. But
Grabe
this
yan.
house is used for events na lang po.
Oo, for events
Kasi
na lang.
meron na rin po silang mga family
Okay.
pamilya nila.
Oo.
And in here po, sir, I'd like to showcase this part of the house. This is actually the center of the house here. Excuse lang.
Excuse
ate,
lang po,
ma'am.
sorry po.
Thank you. Here po. This is the
Ay,
entire-
oo.
They really had it built here because it is the center of the church, as you can see here po. And then, dati po kasi, sir, in their times, pag nag-bell na daw, meron po kasing bell nang magdiring na pauwi na daw si Doña agad.
May ganon?
Yes. And then, sir, si Don Roberto, dito po siya mag-stay. Watching her wife going home.
Really?
Yeah. So, parang nasa movie lang, no? Pero totoo
Oo,
pala yun.
galing
That's why
naman.
they had it here, Balcony Terrace. And if you have seen there sa nung 1949 na na-rebuild na ulit yung bahay, this is really the center because it's facing the church.
Oo.
Yan. So, this is also why this family had been turned into museum. You see, as I've told kanina po, it is what the values that we want to show to the people, and we want to tell the people that it's not only, a house that is being built in here, but a home. A home where, until now, from their generations, is Doña Agatona's characteristic po, the love, the service for the people, the
Yes.
church po,
Oo.
and everything po na they want to tell the people that yun yung parang kahit na 1927 pa, but until now, pwede talagang mangyari what is Doña Agatona before. Even po sa kanilang time ngayon. And even Ma'am Jean, here po, ang the last of the Mohicans,
Oo.
whatever it is, ang tulong sa mga tao, sa church, even in Putotan, dito sa lahat, ang dami po niyang tinutulungan po. We wanted to tell you kung ano si Doña Agatona. Until now po, ganun din po. Until sa mga kaapuhan sa pag-apo.
Oo, tao po sa talampakan,
Yes.
no?
So, the values there that we want to tell the people, I hope that it will be spread all throughout po. So, that's why we had this museum built. Thank you very much for coming.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you very much.
Maraming
po.
salamat
I am
po.
Rinal and hope everybody would come to visit the Agatona 1927 Museum. Thank you.
Thank you.
Yes po.